Ever feel like you're stuck on a hamster wheel working harder, but not really getting ahead? What if the secret to financial freedom was understanding where you stand on the cash flow quadrant? Welcome back to our channel, where today we dive into Robert Kiyosaki's groundbreaking book, The Cashflow Quadrant, and uncover how to transform your financial mindset and future. If you're ready to transform your financial future and unlock the secrets of wealth, then stick around. We are going to explore the 4 types of income earners and how understanding this concept can change your financial future. Whether you're looking to escape the rat race, achieve financial freedom, or invest wisely, this video provides practical insights to help you shift your mindset towards wealth creation. Join us on this exciting journey to financial knowledge and empowerment. Now, let us understand, what is cash flow quadrant? In the world of personal finance, understanding the different sources of income is crucial. Kiyosaki introduces us to the cash flow quadrant, a visual representation that breaks down income earners into 4 categories: employee, self-employed, business owner, and investor. The cash flow quadrant is a map to help you understand where your income comes from and how to transition to true financial independence. Let's dive into each quadrant and understand how they can influence your journey to financial independence. The 4 quadrants are: E, employee, trading time for money, working for someone else. S, self-employed, you're your own boss, but still trading hours for dollars. B, business owner, you own systems that generate money, even when you're not actively involved. I, investor, your money works for you, creating passive income and true wealth. Ask yourself, which quadrant are you in now? And where do you want to be? The employee quadrant, E. The first quadrant is the employee quadrant, represented by the letter. Employees work for a paycheck, often trading their time for money. While there's security in a regular job, the downside is that you're limited in terms of income potential. Most people start here, which is perfectly fine, but if you ever want to break free and build wealth, you need to shift your mindset. Time equals money. This equation dominates the employee mindset. However, it's essential to recognize that relying solely on a paycheck may not lead to financial freedom. Building wealth requires understanding how money works and learning to make it work for you. The self-employed quadrant, S. Next, we have the self-employed quadrant, or S. People in this category, like freelancers and small business owners, are their own bosses. They often work harder than employees but have more control over their time and income. Working for yourself, but here's the catch. Self-employed individuals often still work for money. They trade their time for income and may find themselves trapped in a cycle of endless work, leading to burnout. It's a step up from being an employee, but it might not be the ultimate destination for many. The business owner quadrant, B. Now, let's move on to the business owner quadrant, marked with a B. This group includes entrepreneurs who own businesses that work for them. They have created systems and teams that generate income, even when they're not physically present. Money equals freedom. In this quadrant, money starts working for you. Successful business owners recognize the value of leverage, using other people's time and skills to grow their wealth. This stage requires a shift in mindset, knowledge of how to manage a team, and a deeper understanding of markets. The investor quadrant, I. Finally, we arrive at the investor quadrant, or I. Individuals in this category understand the importance of putting their money to work. They actively invest in assets that generate passive income streams, whether that's stocks, real estate, or businesses. Assets versus liabilities. Kiyosaki stresses the significance of investing wisely by distinguishing between assets and liabilities. True wealth comes from accumulating assets that appreciate over time and generate cash flow. This mindset is key to breaking free from the rat race. Now, making the mindset shift. Most people are stuck in the E or S quadrants, working hard but with limited financial growth. Moving to the B or I quadrants isn't just about money, it's about freedom. Freedom to choose how you spend your time, freedom to pursue passions, and freedom from financial stress. Which freedom matters most to you? Time, passion, or security? Success starts with changing your mindset. Kiyosaki emphasizes that financial education is the key to moving quadrants. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Invest in learning about business systems, passive income strategies, and leveraging assets. The more you learn, the faster you grow. Start small, whether it's reading more about investments or brainstorming scalable business ideas. The journey begins with a single step. So, how do you make the shift from one quadrant to another? Here are a few steps to help guide you. 1. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power. Invest time in learning about finance and investment strategies. 2. Build network. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who inspire and challenge you to grow. 3. Start small. Begin investing in assets, whether it be through a retirement account, stock market, or real estate. 4. Create systems. If you're transitioning to becoming a business owner, develop systems that allow you to step back while your business runs smoothly. Fear and doubt hold many people back. The fear of failure, losing money, or stepping into the unknown can be paralyzing. But remember this: every successful business owner and investor started somewhere. Mistakes are part of growth. As Kiyosaki says, don't let fear keep you in the rat race. What's one fear you'll face today to step closer to financial freedom? The journey from employee to investor isn't easy, but it's worth it. Start by reading the Cashflow Quadrant, exploring opportunities, and building a network of like-minded individuals. Remember, small, consistent steps lead to big changes. Many people believe that higher incomes equal wealth. This isn't necessarily true. Wealth is built through smart investments and financial intelligence. Also, some think they need to have a large amount of starting capital to invest. This is false. Investing can start with even modest amounts. Now that you understand the cash flow quadrant, it's time to assess where you fall and how you can move towards the B and I quadrants. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Share your thoughts in the comments below on which quadrant do you dream of being in, and what's the first step you'll take today. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, financial empowerment starts with the right education along with the right mindset. Let's become the masters of our financial destinies together. Until next time, keep growing and investing in your future. Take charge of your financial destiny. Your journey starts now.